Hello, project associates. Welcome to this walkthrough of your core workflow in the RAMP MIS. We will cover everything from uploading your digital signature to successfully submitting training data for approval. Let's begin with the first and most critical prerequisite, uploading your digital signature. First, after logging into the system, click on your name in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Upload Signature. A new dialog box will appear. Here you will click Choose File to select an image of your signature from your computer. Once you've selected the correct file, click the Upload button. A confirmation message will appear once it has been successfully uploaded. Remember, you cannot submit any data until this step is complete. Now let's move on to entering training data. To do this, navigate through the main menu. Go to RAMP, then Interventions, and finally select Activities. This section allows you to view all existing trainings and add new ones. To create a new training, click on the Add Training button. You will then need to enter all the required training credentials completely and accurately. When you are finished, click Create Training. The new training you just created will now appear in the list on the Activities page. Next, you need to add trainees to this training. Find the new training in your list and click the View Details button for it. Inside, you will find an Add Trainee button. Click this to register participants. It is essential that you enter accurate and complete details for every single trainee. Remember to save each record. After adding trainees, the next step is to record their feedback. For each trainee who has submitted feedback, you must enter their responses into the system. Click the Add Feedback button for the respective trainee to enter their responses and their rating for the training. This leads us to a very important rule, the 50% feedback rule. The system requires that feedback is recorded for at least half of the trainees in a training session. Because of this, the Submit for Processing button will remain disabled until this requirement is met. Once you have entered feedback for 50% or more of the trainees, and you are sure all other data is correct, the button will activate. When the button is active, simply click Submit for Processing to send your complete training data to the technical expert for verification. Your work is now officially in the technical expert's queue. By following these steps carefully and ensuring the accuracy of your data, you play a vital role in the success of the RAMP program. One final note. If your submission is ever reverted back to you, please check the comments left by the technical expert, make the necessary corrections, and then resubmit the data. Thank you.